How to add video to Google Slides. You can add or embed a video into Google Slides. It is very simple to do so. All you have to do is simply navigate to Google Slides right here, and then you need to go to a page where you would like to add that particular video, right? So in this case, I'll just move and I'll select this empty sheet right here. Once I've gone to that slide, at the very top of the screen, you'll find this option called Insert. So just go to Insert and you'll find an option called Video. You want to simply go to the video option right there. Now, there are many ways you can actually paste a YouTube video URL that you have, or you can also use a Google Drive, whatever video you have inside Google Drive, or shared with me or recent. Now, let's say I want to embed one from YouTube. I will simply go ahead and then search for the YouTube video link that I would like to embed in this case. So I'll simply go ahead and select a random one right here. And let me just go ahead and select maybe this one right here. So once I've done that, I'll simply copy the link. Then I'll come back here. I'll paste the link and just hit the enter button. And here you'll find the video. I can select that, click on insert, and that particular video will be inserted into my current slide, whether it be a YouTube video or a downloaded video that you uploaded from your computer. So I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of the tutorial. And as always, see you soon in the next video.